Hey my loves, today I'll be showing you guys how to make blackened chicken Alfredo. This was a quarantine meal for me, you guys. It's quick, simple, and easy. So stay tuned and let's get started. So right here I'm using chicken thighs. That's all I had in the freezer, you guys. But definitely use chicken breast if you have it. After I cut my chicken in cubes, I'm gonna transfer it over to a bowl, and now we're gonna season it. I'm using Zatarain's Blackened seasoning. I swear by this Blackened seasoning, you guys. This is the only one that I've tried so far that I like. So yeah, I'm also gonna use Mrs. Dash, the original blend, and I'm also gonna use garlic powder and onion powder. Definitely season to taste, you guys. I don't measure. If you guys would like me to, definitely drop that in the comments below and I'll keep that in mind. After you season your chicken, you're going to want to mix it all up. Now we're going to get the pan ready. I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, whichever you prefer. You're going to want to have your pan on a medium-high heat. You want your chicken to brown on all sides. Now we're going to add our chicken to the pan and spread it out evenly. I'm just kind of stirring my chicken around. Guys, you do not want pale looking chicken. Put some color on that. There we go. And this is how you want your chicken to look, guys. So now we're gonna put this off to the side and get started on the sauce. You're gonna want to raise your heat to medium-high heat, and we're gonna melt a stick and a half of butter in the pot. Once your butter starts melting, you're going to want to add your heavy whipping cream. I used a total of 48 ounces for this dish. Once everything is all incorporated, I'm going to start adding seasoning. I use Slap Your Mama, Zatarain's Blackened seasoning again, and onion powder and garlic powder. I'm also going to add some black pepper and a little bit of salt. I'm also going to get my noodles started, bring my water up to a boil. You can salt your water if you wish. I add my noodles in once the water is boiling, and I cook my noodles for about 8 minutes. And now we're going to add our cheese in with our sauce. I'm adding Parmesan cheese. I like to use a whisk to mix everything together. I feel like it comes out a lot more smoother. Now I'm going to add the Italian blend cheese. I believe that has like 4 different cheeses in it. It has Asiago, Romano. I like it. It's a really good blend for Alfredo sauce. You guys, this sauce is freaking amazing. Honestly, you gotta try it. Now I'm gonna add my chicken to my Alfredo sauce, and yes, I'm adding it in with all that extra grease because I want all that extra flavor, honey. I'm going to mix in my chicken with my Alfredo sauce. Then I'm going to take this and put it to the side. I'm going to add my noodles to my pan and gradually add my Alfredo sauce back in the pan with my noodles. I like to do it this way just in case I want extra sauce for later. I'll have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It is really quick and simple. This was definitely a quarantine meal for me, and I hope you guys love it. Catch you next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.